Hello, my name is George Dole. Welcome back to our accent correction blog. This course will cover the main phonetic mistakes that English learners often make. Today, I'm going to talk about two sounds, a as in cat and e as in bed. If a person mispronounces a word but he is understandable, it is okay. But when he or she is impossible to understand, that creates a real problem for the listener. So when you say the eh sound, you open your mouth wide. When you practice this, you can exaggerate and say two sounds like cat, cat. When you say the eh sound, you smile a little bit and say it as a short sound like bed, pen, and 10. Man, men, pan, pen, tan, 10, sand, send, bag, beg, bad, bed. Thank you for being with me today, and I hope to see you in our future blogs. So long.